Richie, you want to sit over here and watch? He's almost got it.
Oh my god.
Sit up there with Damien so I can see you. Get your chair closer, Damien.
Oh my god. Now I'm so close to this thing.
Oh, you're getting so close. Good job.
I'm almost there.
Oh, you're going to touch the wall. Is he getting close?
Yep. That's cool. I don't know how she did that. She did that easy, Mom. She's strong as she has, Mother. It's a bit strong.
Oh my gosh, you're going to get it.
Yeah.
Be very, very careful.
Oh my god! How did you do
Oh, don't do it. Don't touch the sign. Don't touch the sign.
I never did the number 3 before.
Don't go fast. That's how you mess up.
Oh.
I know. Did it skip?
Yeah.
That one looks harder, huh? Where you at? Over there? See?
Look at me.
I can see you.
I'm always there.
Yeah. Oh, be very, very careful. Oh my god, you're doing so good. Are you okay, Damien?
Take it off.
What, Damien?
Take it off.
Take it off.
Take it off.
Damien.
No. God, it's gonna scare me.
Damien, are you okay? Did that scare you? You got a sticker in your hair. Did that stick your hands down?
Look at it.
It's off! It's off! Did that scare you? Was that a good trick? Did Mommy get you good?